RYOBI LVT and LVP cutting kit is a simple and easy solution to score and snap your luxury vinyl tile and luxury vinyl plank flooring. The included ruled markings make it easy to measure for accurate and even cuts. And the angle reference marks take the guesswork out of miter cuts. Simply loosen the knob and adjust the guide to your desired angle. Then lock the knob in place. Using your hand, secure the guide to the material, then score along the guide edge with your blade. Finally, snap along your score line. Just watch it handle this tricky corner piece. Measure your cut, adjust the angle guide, score and snap, making miter cuts easy and consistent. The RYOBI LVT and LVP cutting kit is the simple and easy way to make clean and accurate cuts every time. Exclusively at the Home Depot.